Hi, this is Stephen from the Silva Method in Toronto. I'm here to answer some questions, some frequently answered questions that we get in the Silva Method from people who are interested in taking the course, as well as from people who've actually taken the course and they want to see what more they can do with the practical applications of the program. So let me sum it up in the beginning with a very clear, specific explanation as to what the Silva Method is. Well, the Silva Method is a scientifically proven, easy to learn, practical, step-by-step system designed for solving everyday problems easily. An important part of the Silva Method is relaxation, a type of experiential or dynamic meditation which helps you use your mind more effectively and with less effort. So the scientifically proven, easy to learn, practical step-by-step system which is designed for solving everyday problems more easily. Okay, so what kind of more problems or what kind of everyday problems do we have? Well, let's take a look at some of the health benefits that the Silva Method has. So it's been proven to improve your health in just 15 minutes a day. This has been proven over and over again. Scientifically, Dr. Professor Herbert Benson of Harvard University researched the health benefits of meditation on over 60,000 people over the period of about 40 years. He discovered that by meditating just 15 minutes a day, meditation has been scientifically proven to have these following benefits. Decrease your blood pressure, decrease lactic acid in your blood, boost your immune system, improve your metabolism, increase oxygen levels in your brain, and increase the blood flow in your body. Additionally, he discovered that regular practice of this technique is proven to reduce stress in your body. One of the important factors of stress is that stress creates about 90% of the illnesses that we currently have in modern day. So, if stress is removed, then the potential illnesses will be removed by the same degree. Finally, practicing the simple techniques for just 20 minutes a day, the techniques that you learn in the Silva Method, your body's organs will experience a level of rejuvenation equal to about 3 hours of deep sleep. So not only will you feel more rejuvenated during the course and afterwards, but your organs will also receive the rejuvenation required for them to work more effectively, more efficiently throughout their lifetime. The techniques that we use in the Silva Method are based on a powerful system of experiential meditation, and that experiential meditation will result in these health benefits just automatically. Even if you don't practice more than 15 or 20 minutes a day, even if you practice 5 or 10 minutes a day, benefits will be received. It just may take a little bit longer. Other questions that we have is what other benefits are there in the Silva Method apart from health and from solving everyday problems? Well, let me ask you a question. Would you like to improve your tennis game or your golf game? Maybe take a few strokes off your golf game? Well, you'll be able to take a few strokes off your golf game in a relatively quick amount of time. It's been shown that by following the techniques that you learn in the Silva Method, you will be able to improve the performance in sports or in any other skill that you want to improve from 70 to 160%. So just by practicing for 20 minutes, following the techniques that we teach, over a 2-week period of time, you'll be able to improve the performance of a specific skill or sport by up to 70% in just under 2 weeks if you practice 20 minutes a day. Now, with regular practice and for a longer period of time, success or improvement has been measured to be up to 162%. So that's why we say that even if you just practice that 15 or 20 minutes a day that we recommend in the Silva Method, you'll be able to accomplish or improve any skill set that you're looking to improve by about 70% in the first 2 weeks. What else can you learn in the Silva Method? Well, you'll be able to improve your memory in just 15 minutes. 15 minutes, you ask? Is that really true? Absolutely. I know it sounds a little unbelievable, but we have shown that, in fact, we can guarantee that in just 15 minutes, you'll be able to learn the practical and easy to learn techniques that will help you to learn and remember a list of items, up to 20 items, for as long as you need to know them. This technique could be applied to, let's say, remembering a grocery list. You could use it for remembering a task or a project list. Maybe you want to remember several key ideas or key dates. Perhaps you want to do it for remembering names at work or colleagues' birthdays. There's many, many other things that we can think of. But in fact, if you use this technique, you'll be able to practice in just 10 minutes a day for 2 weeks, and your ability to remember things will improve dramatically. One of the other questions that comes up frequently is, how is the Silva Method different from other self-development programs? This is a great question, and I think it's important because the Silva Method is not just a self-development program, as we say. The Silva Method is a science-based self-development program. So this typical question, for instance, is one that I like. It says, I've done NLP, I've studied with John Assaraf, I've learned tapping and many other self-improvement programs. What's different about the Silva Method? Well, the Silva Method is a comprehensive self-development program which includes many of the above-mentioned techniques with a powerful booster, something that we call experiential meditation. Now, experiential meditation helps one access the subconscious mind, which is the part of the mind that's running the OS or operating system of the brain. When you consciously access this part of your mind, you'll be able to accelerate your desired results with less effort and in less time. So the Silva Method actually integrates what you have learned in the other courses and allows you to access and improve the results of those programs in less effort and in less time. Because it's not just the information that you learn in courses which is helpful, but it's the practical application of that information which makes the real difference. So the Silva Method, it's like, it's how you integrate it collectively, and using experiential meditation, you're able to integrate all these extra or different modalities that you've learned into a system which actually works for you in your life. So let me give you an example if you want to think about it in the following way. So if you want to make a fancy dinner at home for your family or partner, then what you'll have to do is choose a recipe. Then you'll have to go out and buy the ingredients, right? Or make a list of ingredients. Then you'll have to go buy the ingredients. Then you'll bring those ingredients home. And then you'll have to take all those ingredients and mix them together in the right way, following the recipe, measuring everything out to the exact requirement. And then your dinner will be ready. In the Silva Method, we take a different approach. If you've heard about meal kits, well, meal kits pretty much, they take all the recipe, they take the ingredients, and they take the portioning and they put it all together into one box. So the Silva Method is like taking a meal kit for all their self-development programs. Everything comes in a box, the recipe, the ingredients, the perfect portions, and all you have to do is choose the one that you'd like to cook or prepare today, and if you follow the instructions exactly, you'll get perfect results every single time. Another example of this is IKEA. If you want to furnish your house quickly and efficiently, then you would use and shop at IKEA. Perhaps you've done it in the past, but in IKEA, you'll choose the furniture that you want. You'll take it home for yourself in a box, and with some simple tools like a screwdriver and a wrench, you'll be able to assemble that box with very simple, detailed instructions. And by following it step by step, in a certain amount of time, you'll have the perfect result every single time. So, the Silva Method is really like a super simple, practical, and effective program which gives you techniques to make your life much easier and to make you accomplish or help you accomplish your goals much more quickly. All right, that's all the time we have for today. We'll publish another video next month, and if you have any questions and would like to know a little bit more, would like me to answer some questions for you about the benefits of the Silva Method or what you can get out of it, then please email us at better@silvamethod.ca. So BETTER @silvamethod.ca. Thank you.